Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you? I hope so all of you are fine. We shall discuss chapter number 4, that is environmental pollution. But first of all, we shall discuss our moral lesson of the day. Our moral lesson of the day is your mind is a garden, your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow seeds. It means all the happenings depends upon your thinking. You know there are several kinds of pollution, but here we shall discuss only air pollution. It means what are these gases which are polluting the air, and water pollution. It means what are the gases which are polluting our water. Different activities of human is polluting our air, our water, and our land. Air pollution. Smoke from the factories is polluting the air. Air pollution is caused due to burning of fossil fuel. Fuels that are most commonly used include coal, wood, oil, etc. Students, you have seen when these things are burnt out, then these produces black color smoke, which is releasing in the air, and this smoke is producing pollution. People burn fuel to get energy to run their vehicles, cooking food, and make different products in factories. When fuels are burned, smoke and harmful gases are produced. These gases act as pollutants to pollute air. What is pollutant? Pollutants are those which pollute the air. It is the most harmful form of pollution in our environment. Now, causes of air pollution. It means what are the causes which have polluted our air. You can see here there are different causes of pollution. Smoke from factories, from vehicles. We are also producing the pollution when we are releasing carbon dioxide and other also. You can see this smoke is coming out from the vehicles, and this is producing pollution. Now we discuss causes of air pollution. Air pollution is caused by the injuries smoke emitted by car, buses, trucks, trains and factories, namely sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide. Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, these are the pollutants which are polluting our air. Here you can see smoke, and this smoke is coming out from the vehicles. And where it is going? Yes, it is going in the air, and it is polluting our air. This smoke which is coming out from the leaves, it is also producing pollution. Even smoke from burning leaves and cigarette are harmful to the environment, causing a lot of damage to man and the atmosphere. This smoke which is coming from the cigarette is also polluting your air. Chlorofluorocarbons. What are the chlorofluorocarbons? You know? Let's discuss. Chlorofluorocarbons released from refrigerators, air conditioner, deodorants, and insect repellents, causing several damage to the Earth's environment. This gas has slowly damaged the atmosphere and depleted the ozone layer, leading to the global warming. Ozone layer is a protective layer around the earth which is polluting by the chlorofluorocarbons which is releasing by air conditioners, refrigerators, etc. Polluted air is scattered by wind, rain and snow washes them into the ground which causes water pollution to the ground. It means when these chlorofluorocarbons are releasing from the refrigerator, ACs, etc., it is going into the air. When there is rain, then this chlorofluorocarbon mix with water of rain and snow and then it come back to the earth again, and then it is polluting our water also. Now it is the water pollution. Water pollution. You know what is the water pollution and how it is producing? Water resources are the resources from where we get water. For drinking purposes, it includes rivers, lakes, and streams. When this water becomes polluted due to different pollutants, pollutant means those materials which pollute the air. It becomes unfit for drinking and household purposes. Household purposes mean we using water at home for different purposes, for washing our clothes, for cooking, for washing ourselves and other purposes also. Then they may die. Water, when living things use this water, they may die. Water which is discharged from factories contains acids, salts, poisons, oils, etc. This water is drained off into water bodies. The water become unfit for aquatic life and for household use. Water bodies, what are the water bodies? River, streams, lakes, oceans, etc. These are called the water bodies. When dirty water which is coming from the factories, it also has waste materials in it. When this is added to the water of the water bodies, then these our water bodies which are ocean, lake and stream etc. are polluting, which will affect the sea life. Sea life mean fish and other also living organism which are living inside the sea. Here you can see this polluted water is polluting the water. What are the causes of water pollution? Causes of water pollution are sewage system carries waste from homes, offices, hospitals and factories into water and pollutes water. Littering and dumping of waste in or near water bodies is another major cause of water pollution. Okay, see, I have think all of you have understand what is the water pollution and what is the air pollution.